scientists estimate the global sea level is going to rise by 20 to 90 centimeters by the end of this century. I'm Anna and I'm from the Russian Far East. Right now I'm in Cancun at COP16, and I think this conference is a great opportunity for me to learn the good practices, the examples of successful projects implemented in various parts of the world, and see how these projects can be adapted to Russian realities and how they can solve local problems in Russia.
Okay, my name is Mario. I'm working for Gender CC Women for Climate Justice. We are right now here discussing, for example, adaptation issues. How can we support nations and people especially in order to be able to cope with climate change? If we don't look differentiated, if we don't try to find out if men and women are different, are impacted or are affected again different, how do we want to define which kind of support they need? Most of the poor are female too. So climate change will result in increasing food prices. And those who are going to suffer that situation are going to be the poor, with, again, most of them being women.
Here I had an opportunity to meet and talk to representatives of different NGOs from many different parts of the world, but unfortunately I have not met anyone from Russia yet, which also indicates that Russia is not as much interested in the climate change negotiation process on the NGOs level as maybe some other countries are. But also I had an opportunity to look at the climate change problem from the perspective of many different places and many different organizations on many different levels. Here I've also learned that a lot of organizations focus on smaller issues within the climate change. They pick an issue like gender relations or animal agriculture or any other issues that they feel they have resources to cope with, and they do real effective projects in their local communities. And this is something that works. Compared to just discussions, compared to just talking, they utilize the resources they have and they try to make the best out of what they have. Many of them are talking about the projects they do in developing countries, not just in the United States. And this is an example of how a developed country helps developing countries to mitigate the effects of climate change. And I think it's essential that we see this kind of cooperation in the future, because developing countries may not have resources to meet the effects of climate change by themselves. I hope that this COP16 conference will not be just another conference, and I hope something real will be done at this conference. I hope that the impact it has will be long-lasting and it will have an effect for the next few years.